Yeah, what's happening, bruh? It's Ill Drew, you bitch. I'm about to show y'all and lace y'all on game on how to make a fucking brass monkey, bruh. You know what I'm saying? Take this motherfucker off. You have to drink the cone of the foe. Oh, you feel me? So let's do this. You know what I'm saying? You gotta do it to the label right here. You know what I'm saying? And then you add my little cutty right here. Steady hand mob, you feel me? I stay pouring syrup, so you know. You know what I'm saying? And then you cap this bitch, right? And then you just, hold on, bro. Let me make sure this shit's on tight, because I ain't trying to be fucking shit up, you feel me? Because if it fucks up, then it's bad. And then, you know what I'm saying? Put this cap on tough. Let's just turn that motherfucker upside down. You know what I'm saying? Let it fucking... Let that motherfucker... Look at the post gonna be orange, bruh. I mean, the phone. Get poke free. That's that far. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to OE one time. My nigga TAJ-HE just dropped his mixtape, so go download that shit fast. dubcnn.com. Fuck with it. Let me get this motherfucker a taste. Hold on, bruh. Let me put you on standby. You know what I'm saying? Wipe this motherfucker down. You know what I'm saying? Here we go, man. And of course, it tastes like that fire, man. It's a motherfucking ghetto mimosa. 5150 Mob, Ill Drew on Twitter, Instagram, all that bullshit, bruh. Fuck with a nigga. Wow.